Good morning, grade 4. Welcome to the maths class. I see some really very good work from you. So I am glad, children, you are really making progress. Now today we are going to learn addition of numbers based on place value. Do you see this? Addition of numbers based on place value, that is exercise 2. Let's start with an example. Okay. A quick revision of our place values, children. That is ones or units, then you have tens, then you have hundreds, then you have thousand, then you have 10,000, and then you have 100,000. Now, how do we read this number, children? 53,428. Very good. Now we need to write the value of this, of each digit. So now let's start from your units, tens, hundreds. This is your thousands place and this is 10,000s place. So now first in the units place. The digit in the ones place or the units place is 8. So how do we write this? We will write this as 8. Okay? Then we have, you have 2 in the tens place. The digit in the tens place is 2, so it is written as 20. The digit in the hundreds place is 4, so it is written as 400. And the digit in the 3 place, 3 is in which place, children? It is in the thousands place. So it is 3,000. The value of 3 is 3,000. See your zeros, children. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then we have the final place, that is unit, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So 5 is in which place, children? It is in the 10,000s place. So it means what? We have 5 10,000s. We have 5 10,000. So when we write, how will we write? 5 10,000s is what? How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 50,000. And remember what I told you, at an interval of 3 numbers, we put the comma. So children, today for homework, you will be doing on page 3, exercise 2. You will be doing this in your workbooks. Okay, children, now let's move further. We will learn to write the missing number. So this number, we have to fill in this gap over here. We have to write this missing number. Now we all know units, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000s. Now here, children, 4, this 4, it represents, this 4 represents 4 into 1. Why? Because it is in the ones place or units place. So 4 into 1 is 4. Now this 8 over here, it represents 8 into 10 because it is in the tens place. So 8 into 10 is 80. Then in the hundreds place children, we have none, nothing. Okay. Now 7 is in which place? It is in the thousands place. So this will be what? 7 into 1000. So that will be how much? 7 into 1000 is how much? 1000. It will be 7000. And finally you have your 2, that is in the 10,000s place. So that means we have 2 10,000s. So 2 into 10,000 is 20,000. So this number is read as 20,084. So your missing value over here is 7,000. Is it clear, children? 4 into 1, 4. 8 into 10. Why 10? Because in the tens place, so that is 80. Now in hundreds place we have none, that is 0. Now in the thousands place we have 7. So you multiply 7 into 1000 will give you 7,000. And finally in the 10,000s place we have 2. So that gives you 20,000. Children, the similar examples of missing number I have done for grade 3. So I will be posting you that video also. Okay. Now for your home learning, you are going to do exercise 3, page 3, exercise 2, that is 1A to D. Then you will do exercise 2, that is 2A to B. And then you will do page 4, that is exercise 3, 3A to E. I will just show it to you. So you have this for homework. What's the date today? 2/7/20. Then you are going to do this here below. This is your homework. And finally you will be doing this on page 4. I want you to do only this. That's all for today, children. Thank you and keep learning.